Yo, what's good? What's good, chat? How we doing? Let me get my screen up. ASFX TV, what is going on? How we doing, man? Where am I gonna go here? Go here. This one. All right, go to the charts. I'm in a short. In another short, man. Not enjoying myself. Not enjoying myself at all. Not trading the markets well this week. Here we are. I am managing risk though. I'm down like $70 on the account, so nothing crazy. I don't know why I'm shorting. Don't ask me. Been in this short for a while. How are you guys doing? Barry, good morning. Paul, good morning. Or good afternoon, really. Sorry, guys. Good afternoon. Kirsty, what's up, Kirsty? Here on the YouTube chat. Sup, doggies? What's up? What's up, man? What's up? First time watching on X and the quality is much better. Interesting. What up, Spectre? Just doing a few things here. Doing some math on what accounts I should get next. I want to get some more accounts. How we doing, guys? Let's get a P&L check in the chat. You guys green or red this week? I need to know. James will be with us, I'm sure, soon. AJ, what's up? I'm going to ask, why are you in a short? Dude, I don't fucking know anymore. I just don't know how to long this market up at all-time highs every goddamn day of my life. I don't know how to go long and close my eyes. These are not my market conditions, chat. I'm not having a great time trading this market. I'm short 2 micros. I did have reasons for this. So there's a huge bearish SMT divergence up at the highs. Okay. NQ has made a higher high here. You go to ES. There's a lower high. There's a clear bearish SMT divergence right there. There's perfect equal lows on ES. Perfect double bottom. This is my bread and butter. These are the things I like to target. Do they have to happen today? I guess not. But that SMT, plus at the time of my entry, there was another SMT right here where ES was making a lower high on the 5 minute. NQ was making a higher high on the 5 minute. So there was bearish SMT everywhere. ES has been the easier one to short, but it's still just a mess. These just ain't my market conditions, chat. But I'm holding this because I do think we can get a major sell-off. I've been calling this. I was talking about this with James. I've been saying that this daily fair value gap is going to be our draw on liquidity for the week, but it's Wednesday and we still haven't done anything. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not going to be right on that, but that's what I was looking at. Really wanted to see the market tap into that daily fair value gap as our draw, which it could still happen by Friday, but I keep playing for that idea and it just ain't working. Lance says I'm in 2 places at one time. Oh, that's you, Lance? That's funny. What's up, bro? Good evening for me. Good evening, Sherry. Green on TOF, red on Apex. W risk sinking. That's what it's all about. Green, Brittany, good afternoon. Lance, you're red. These are my worst times as well. All-time highs usually cause me to second guess so much shit that it's pitiful. Yeah, but bro, you shouldn't be too hard on yourself. Oh, we got James too. Let me throw him up here. You shouldn't be too hard on yourself, man, because I was doing this. What up, boss? I was doing this with James on Monday. Bro, when you go to the daily chart, what is the market doing more of? Okay? To go from here to here, where we put in that low, it took 150 calendar days, over 100 trading days. Okay? And then to go from here to here and erase that entire move, it took like 20 days. So here's the thing. Would you rather be able to trade all of this for 3 months straight and then not be able to trade this for a couple weeks? Yeah, most likely. So don't hate on yourself for not being able to just get long and close your eyes, because you can't anticipate this is happening until it's happened. That's my opinion. James, I'd love to know your opinion, but I was just answering Lance there.
Yeah, I want to speak about I'll get my stream up now in a bit. I'm just waiting for TradeZilla to update my stats. I do want to speak a little bit about the trades there, because I know what trades the ASFX guys will be trading, mainly like VWAP, and then I do want to speak up a little bit about that as well, Zach. But just give me a second, boss man.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, good to check you, bro. You like my t-shirt? It's game day, baby. Gee.
Hey, let's go. Lakers. I'm waiting for the Knicks. Knicks are on Thursday, I think.
Yes, I see that. No, this is a OG Kobe Bryant t-shirt.
Let's go. Who are they playing? Who are the Lakers in the playoffs with?
I believe they are playing. They're playing Houston Rockets.
Nice. Yeah, man. I haven't had enough time to watch basketball this year, nearly as much as last season. But I'm definitely going to be watching the playoffs of my Knicks.
Dude, it's if the Knicks make it through, hopefully we're going to go watch a game.
Dude, that would be amazing. I think we did beat the Hawks last time. The last game, we beat them. So
yeah, it's 1-1 at the moment. I see.
Nice.
Sorry, I'm just getting this thing to sync. I got a top one futures account. I've been trading again, bro. I haven't traded in like a month, so I picked it up again. I'm up 1.8 on it, 150K. Remember I said so on Monday.
Nice, 150K. Let's go.
Yeah, remember I said I was going to get one.
Yeah, absolutely, bro. I love it. So I'm in this short, James. I hate my life. I can't trade this market, bro.
Yeah, it's a difficult market, but I do want to speak about, as I said, I do want to speak about that that thing. Let me just go like this. I just want to making sure all the trades are synced up. Yeah, and yeah. Should be good. Okay, give me a second there, Zach. Yeah,
Sure,
okay.
take your time, man. We'll watch me lose this trade. That's no
What
problem.
are you shorting? Yeah.
I'm shorting like a
I
R
thought
word.
you were going to be shorting.
Big
Yeah.
sad.
Okay. Just like that. Okay, so at the moment on the day, I am up.
Oh my God, what am I doing? Okay, I'm closing it. I'm done.
Jeez.
I give up.
Get out. Wow, dude.
I give up. I'll put my stop right there. It's gonna take it out.
I like it.
give up.
The scalping and you just get out.
I give up, chat.
Oh, dude, that's a brutal wick. That
just can't stop. Just get long, full port. Use a stop right at the most recent low, and you'll be a millionaire. That's what's going on.
Yeah, look at ES bouncing now too. Sorry, let me get my screen up here, Zach.
Please do. I don't want to look at this anymore.
Yeah, so I actually was a bit annoyed my side. I missed the longs on NASDAQ on the open. I should have been in something like this, a 5 minute. I should have been in something like that. That breakout there. And then I'm catching that little ride up there. That's what I should have been in.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I missed it. I was trading live with the Edgeville guys. Andre and Zinc got it. I was a bit annoyed, so I rather decided to sit on my hands. And I actually ended up taking a nice little short on the DAX, which I can trade with my FTMO accounts. So I traded FTMO DAX short from about 380 down to about 320, so like 60 points there. And I did $900 on my FTMO account. And then I got $700 on. I actually shorted YM, funny enough.
Okay.
I shorted YM on that closure. I got in about 30 seconds into that, and I had my stop loss like at the highest I was targeting opening range low like that, Zach, like this. So I got out about it was about 638, somewhere like that. The pricing on CFD is obviously
so you caught shorts too.
I got the shorts on YM though. I did feel that YM was, underneath VWAP for quite some time. Yeah, it failed to take a new high, and I saw that failure of that take of New York session VWAP as maybe a chance to get the opening range low, which I obviously did get. But let's speak a little bit about the trades that I think most people would have taken on ES, which would have been this break and retest over here of the opening range high and the New York session VWAP at all-time highs. Breakouts don't work, because we are at all-time highs. So to buy over here is not a great price. You would rather be getting the bounce play in over here, and you're getting 154 up to about 166 points. The range was very tight today. You see, again, breakouts off New York session VWAP don't work. Bounce plays like over here off the daily work. So that's how I kind of see all-time high trading. Instead of trying to trade the breakouts, you trade the bounces. So
makes sense.
That's kind of how I don't know. Let me know in the chat if that makes sense for you guys.
Makes perfect sense. Just laughing at the chat's laughing at me. Just laughing my ass off. Man. You remember last week when I was having a cry session, says Lance? Yeah, I do remember that, bro.
I think the only thing that you can really control is your risk, though.
Yep, and which I'm doing here. Like, I'm down $200, guys. It's not the end of the world. If this even, imagine I put the stop there and now this thing totally reverses. That'd be sick.
So definitely not my best trading day, but I am green. I think across all the accounts, I had that one loss on Wednesday, which I got wicked out, and then I didn't trade any of my prop firm accounts Thursday and Friday.
Have you had no red days yet still? Okay, you had one.
No, I had one on Wednesday. And then so 1.8K today. But I think I needed to take a break. I was on such a good run. Like when you're on a good run, Zach, you actually just like, geez, it's actually been good. Let me just chill for a bit and refocus,
Because something's coming. Market's going to smack you upside the head soon enough.
Exactly, because then you're like, oh shit, I had my first red day in a while. I'm not used to this. Let me try and force things and that short at all-time highs. Geez, thanks for coming. You know what I'm saying? So
big facts. Yeah, 100%.
I think when being actually aware of that is a good trait in itself. Personally, I used to be quite bad at that back in the day, but nowadays I'm a little bit better at that. Not to say that it's not frustrating. Anyone that tells you taking losses isn't frustrating and you want to punch your keyboard or throw your keyboard across the thing is lying to you. But it's about being aware of it and, hey, seeing the bigger picture. Okay, cool. I had a losing day. I'll be in a drawdown on that account now, but it's fine. I've got others, and you can risk sync them like that too. But just what I'm seeing here on ES as well, if you look also clearly, and I was speaking about this on one of my streams now earlier on my YouTube channel. You are streaming to my YouTube as well, Zach?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And my X, yeah?
Yep, and X.
Okay. So what we can see is that we are actually making lower highs off of that half day as well. If you're just looking at simple price action structure, we are actually making lower highs off of that level. So, when you take a breakout play, you would want this to make a new high. It's the same as actually yesterday where I took the lows at a good level. And this is what I was saying. I was only on a Monday again. I took the longs over here yesterday, Zach, on ES off these lows. I literally got in at the close of that 5-minute candle. And I took the longs up like this, and I was full out at about this level there for about 13 points. I had about a 15-point stop on it. Yes. But you see how you don't want to take breakout plays here, because this lookout actually doesn't make a new high. Like when this breakout works, it doesn't create a new high. So for me, that's a weak breakout. I don't know. That's the best way.
100%.
Yeah.
No, I get it. That makes sense.
Yeah. So I made my profit on the DAX. Okay, and then I did have a little bit of a short. We can't trade YM on that other account that I was trading. Remember that competition-based account? That's why I went and shorted on my top one futures.
NQ pulling back a little bit here. So you're locked out for the day, I'm guessing.
Yeah, that DAX trade on my FTMO accounts was actually quite a nice 60-point winner. So I'll take that on. I haven't actually locked myself. I don't really lock myself out on those top one futures accounts. I'm scalping. So if I find something, I'll take a little $100, bro.
Totally. I'm actually still alive in this short, bro. Imagine, James. Imagine it just misses that now and reverses. It's probably gonna.
Yeah, Lance. So, man, don't I need to hear this? Yes, Lance. I hope that what I'm saying in the chat makes a little bit of sense. But yeah, I actually was on that free competition-based account. Remember, I told you that's the reason why I got the top one futures account. I had a little bit of shorts actually on ES and NQ, or just a little scalpies. But I don't count that as my main. I don't count those as my main trades because I took them on a competition-based account. I was kind of like trying things, It wasn't on my accounts that are like eligible for funding, put it that way.
Sure.
Which I think is actually good to have an account like that you can try things out on. Zach, personally, for me, that you don't pay anything on. And
whether it's paper, demo accounts, or just like a really cheap eval, anything if you want to do forward testing instead. Because I like forward testing.
Zach, they think you Mr. Zink from H4 stream.
Wait, what?
They think you Mr. Zink. So we actually need to put our names up on the chat, bro.
Yeah. I wonder why it's not showing it actually. Yo, Mr. Zink. Shout out Mr. Zink though. He's sick. Bro, I'm not Mr. Zink. I'm Mr. Zarb. They call me Mr. Zarb.
Mr. Zarb. Gee.
Bro, imagine this.
Zink, I must say.
What'd you say?
You actually do look like a little bit like from the distance. If you like Zink, you look a little bit like Zink.
I saw him once. I got to get a better look at him. He was on PFM TV the other day with Alex. Bro, he makes me want to trade 25K accounts, that guy.
Yeah, he just trades 25Ks.
Crazy. Look at this, guys. Imagine this falls back down here.
Yeah, this is actually pretty wild, dude. So, but again, look what it's happening. It's actually creating like another lower high, personally.
Yeah. I mean, ES also still has that SMT right here. ES never made a higher high.
Yeah, true. NQ made a new high. ES didn't. Yeah.
Yep. So one of the things I was looking at, James, like we have that SMT divergence there. We also have it here. So we have this higher time frame one. So this could be used like you could use this like RSI divergence. You know how higher time frame RSI divergence?
Yeah,
it's not like an immediate signal.
No, it's like,
not. It shows that
it means change could be happening. Maybe there's a potential for a chop or reversal.
Yeah. So we got that here on the hourly. This is if you look from here to here, NQ made a higher high. ES is nowhere near that high, bro. Nowhere near it, and that's previous day's high. So like those are the things when we do finally get a big move, mean reversion. That's like
Yes.
a pretty strong beginning confluence. On top of that, we have a double bottom right here on ES. So I feel like we should come get this double bottom at some point. Maybe not today. I was shooting for potentially a big move today. I had a feeling. It didn't work out though, but who knows? We'll see how this trade ends up playing out. My stop is up there at 37.
Yeah, Zach, we actually should put our names up on there, bro. Let's see even the
How do I
settings.
do that? Usually, you know how?
Go to the settings or branding. It should be in there, and it should be display name or something like that.
Guest can stream. Maybe on a different. Is it just this layout? Because usually we do have to put our name in there before we.
Yeah.
No, it's not showing it there either.
No. Let me open up another thing. Let me open
camera. Let me know if you find it. I don't see it.
Well, I can't do it for you, but I'll have to guide you through it.
Yeah.
Give me a second, boss man.
Kirsty, he made you want to do it as well. I'm just like the opposite. I do best with the bigger accounts, so I just can't imagine going even lower, down to 20K. But he does make he makes a case for them for sure.
Yeah. I mean, he's making money from them, right? That's all that matters. Go to style and then show display names.
Style?
Yeah, style, show display names.
Oh, okay. I'm stopped out, guys. Style. Wait, where's style? Oh, I see it.
Yeah, right hand side. Show display names.
Okay, got you. There we go. There
you go.
James, the producer.
Hey.
Carter said Zarb with the upper decker. You rarely do the upper deckies. I always do upper decky, bro.
I do lower deckies, bro.
You do lower? Maybe I gotta try lower. Damn. I'm alone in this.
The upper deckies, they hurt my gums, bro. Jeez.
Lance says Zach's name is literally in neon behind his head.
Yeah, that is true.
All right, I guess we just go up and up and up and up and away forever. Never stops. I guess that's what's going on.
I mean, this is a very rangy day as well, Zach. YM only had 140 point opening range. I mean, that's pretty small for YM, where we've been seeing opening ranges of like
doing its own thing again.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, one good piece of news, I got approved for my new apartment, bro.
Oh, congrats, sir.
Dude, so hyped, bro. Good, Zarb. Zarb, how was your trading day? I guess it was shit, I guess you could say. Nothing crazy, though. I'm down $250 on my Apex accounts on all four. So 250 times 4. I'll show that real quick. There we go. So it is what it is. Took a short, tried it. It failed. Xavier says, I don't feel so bad now that I was trying to short. It gave every sign to short, but it didn't want to go. Yeah, it was a good setup, man. I actually felt really good about it. I thought it was going to be a good reversal setup, which I'm not always trying to take reversals. I don't do that anymore. I trade continuation all the time, but it really is getting to that point that I do start looking for reversals because the market's overextended. It's in a deep premium. Then you have signals, you have SMT divergences, you have draws on liquidity lower. It's like, I'm going to take the short. I'm going to try.
Sure. Yeah. That Nvidia now starting to. Nvidia had a little bit of a spark as well, Zach. That's probably also what's shaking up a little bit, boss.
Okay. Did you watch the morning session or anyone in chat? How did ASFX do? How'd the rest of the crew do today? I feel like the rest of the crew's been killing it. They just go long.
Yeah.
Austin's big on that. He's like, I'm going long, no matter what.
Yeah, he is big on. Yeah, I mean, it's actually a good thing to have in this type of market environment where everything is just going long.
Definitely. Yeah, Carter says we did good, went long.
There you go.
Yep, cooking today on stream. Damn, all right, you guys were killing it. Let's go. Made good money on longs. Nice.
There you go. We like to hear that. Yeah, I think. Yeah, Zach. I think we could close at the highs, yeah, bro. Even like the
Yeah.
Dow's pushing up off the lows. So is ES. ES looks good. Like it wants to actually break out right now, personally. But NQ definitely leading the way. That's for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, NQ has the strength that's bringing everything else up.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly that. I mean, just something to have a look at as well on the right-hand side. You guys aren't wrong with those longs over there. I think maybe you just have to go like another way to look at it is even having stop like at like even if you do take that breakout, like stop at opening range high like that. Opening range high, like opening range low, something like that, Zach.
Yeah. Yeah, what would be a long for you in this market? That would be a new long.
That would have to be a wider stop, I think.
What about for the longs that already happened? Like, how do you get involved in this when the market's just going up and up and up?
Wider stop, bro. Smaller size,
wide stop, follow trends. Yeah. Wide stop, follow trend. Yeah, I have a sickness, man. I'm just trying to short this thing.
Sickness. Yeah, so that's how you kind of have to play it, I guess, Zach. Yeah.
What'd you say?
That's how you would have to play it. Maybe wider stop when price is a little bit choppy, but you know you want to be potentially long biased.
Yep. But what about now, man? Would you still be longing this? You think you just keep going? Just who cares?
Dude, I mean,
it's all-time highs.
It's not coming down. It's not showing a sign that it wants to reverse.
Yeah.
You know, like it's not really showing weakness. So that's where you kind of have to just be like, okay, well, let me not be an idiot. Let me just trade in trend. Yo, James, that had this what brand is it? Actually, one of my friends' brands, to be honest. It's Brahma's Base. Yeah, it's one of my friends' brands. Yeah, like look, like every single time it dips, it's just getting bought back up. Even as I said, like even Nvidia is making new highs. You don't really want to be fighting that, you know?
No, it's an expansion. It's just going to expand.
Yeah. Can you link it? I guess I can. Let me have a look here. Brahma's Base. I don't know if he still does them, bro. Actually, funny enough.
What is it? It's your friend's company? What's the company?
My friend's company. Yeah, I'd have to ask him, bro. I have to ask him for the link. I can't find it here. Yeah, I actually can't find it. I'll try and get it for you for next stream. So join us on Friday.
King D2 is asking, how do we get access to the ASFX indicator? Do you got to be a member of ASFX TV for that, James? Or how do you get access to that?
You can purchase the indicator, I believe. You'd have to go to Austin's link in bio and go get it from there, boss.
Yeah, I'll drop Austin's link tree so you can check it out.
I mean, yes, now back above 155. As I said, like this thing just wants to move higher, bro.
Yep. All right, here you go. You can probably find it on here.
Yeah,
with this link.
It'll be this link in bio for sure. Yeah, Nvidia, geez, yeah, as I said, like Nvidia breaking now for new highs. What's Tesla doing? Tesla also looking like it wants to come higher now, breaking the daily VWAP.
Dude, I literally want to trade this inversion right now. You know, to be fair, bro, even though I've been wrong all day, I'm only down 250, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, actually well managed risk, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you've been wrong all day and you're only down 250, I mean that's very good. Well, very very good managing a risk. If you're wrong all day and only down 250, I'll take that, bro.
Respect. There's Tyler G. What's good, bro? Tyler G's in the chat on YouTube.
Blow me a kiss. I'm actually going to see him in Miami.
Oh, nice. So you're going to go to Miami too, Bruce?
Yeah, I'm flying in there.
Oh, you're flying in Miami. So what, do you stay in Miami for a couple days first before Tampa?
Yeah, correct.
Oh, dude, hell yeah. You're going to love Miami, bro.
Blow you a kiss. You can kiss my bald head for luck in person. Make sure it's freshly shaved. The guy's funny, dude.
Nah, Tyler G is hilarious. I'm going to be talking with him for the Prop Trader Fest. That's going to be good.
James, how do you feel about single stock futures? I think it's good. I love trading stocks. Personally, I do dabble a bit in stocks, not options, just CFD stocks. So yeah, I think it's going to be good for you guys. Especially the CFDs have had the single stock CFDs for many, many years now.
When does that start?
I'm not too sure. ChatGPT, your friend, or Claude.
Yeah, I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask ChatGPT.
Wait, there's H4
no exact date. Summer 2026, though, they're saying.
Sure.
So soon.
So no exact date, though. H4, Andre's in Miami.
That'll be cool, bro. I'll be interested in that.
Yeah, I think that 100%.
You like single stocks. You like the way they move.
Yeah, exactly. I do like the way that they move. Yeah, you're right. I think sometimes stocks offer, like when the Nasdaq's maybe a little bit more choppy, the single stocks offer, like there's maybe like
you can
trend on
that has relative strength and go for that.
Yeah, exactly that.
Yo, James, you want to see the new crib, bro?
Let's see, boss.
I'm so hyped, bro. Well, okay, so I don't want to show my exact apartment because it's like
I feel
you don't want to weird. So so I'm showing a different unit that is similar. I posted it in here. Let me find it. Here it is, bro.
Yes, now back above 160, by the way.
Bro, we getting them New York City views, bro.
There we go. Hey, that's sick,
New York
dude.
City views.
Gee.
Yeah.
That is.
I said I'm not stopping with these payouts till I got floor to ceiling windows in New York City.
Gee.
Now we got them.
No, that's sick, bro. Congrats. Am I gonna be invited there when I'm there?
Dude, we're moving in June, so I won't.
Okay.
Tyler G says I'm gonna start working with the Edgeful. Nice, dude. I mean, they have so many good stats, bro.
They do, bro. They do. I know a lot of people like are very discretional on that, but I think you can still use, like for me, I'm very discretional, but you can still use the stats in your trading. You know, personally.
Yeah. No, I'm like as discretionary as it gets, and I still use the stats.
Yeah.
King says, "Wait, you don't want us to visit you?" Maybe. You know, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Depends.
Yeah, even while I'm basing out here, I'm up on my TOF account though, so I'm not gonna.
So today's your first day?
No. I've been trading it. I've traded like 4 days. I traded it once or twice last month, and then again now.
Oh, lit. Okay, sick. Lance says it's day 2 with Edgeful for him. Nice.
Nice. What reports you been using, Lance?
Yeah, let us know. Loving it so far, but still a long hill to climb. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I keep it so simple.
Yeah,
I use
you have to.
as
There's
simple
so
as
many
it gets, a couple reports.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, man. Maybe we should just grab some evals. Maybe we should get some evals and have some fun.
Yeah, I'm not really seeing too much at the moment. Yes, is obviously just moving higher, so that's obviously good. What's yeah, Bitcoin's up almost at 79K right now.
Damn, all right. Yeah, up 3%. Carter likes your all black candles.
Yeah, I do enjoy them. I've just used them for so long too, like all black. Yeah.
Yeah, you've always had all black.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a tough buy. I think the only index that I'd like to buy if I was is YM. He had this level opening range low, looking maybe back for opening range high. We also added like a level, but yeah, we'll see.
James Jeffro in ASFX chat is asking for a website address. I'm guessing to Edgeful if you got a link.
Oh yeah, just use my link in bio on my socials. I'll send them here, but there's it over there. Zach, I'll send it through to a private chat over there.
Sure.
I'll put on the ASFX chat as well. There you go. Go check them out there. Yeah, I have to scroll down on the comments.
Yeah, man. Tough for me to commentate on this market right now. Market go up. Market go up. Buy market go up. That's it. Is James a true bald man or is he LARPing?
That's funny. James, what are your thoughts on one step versus two step on FTMO? Would you steer clear? I prefer the two step. I just always have because of the static drawdown. So that's, I think, the thing that FTMO do offer that is pretty nice. So two step, I take. I wouldn't say steer clear of the one step. FTMO are a great company, but I do the two step. I mean, yeah, don't steer clear of the one step, but do what makes sense for you. I just like I just personally like the two step.
Yeah, well, you get the static drawdown. I feel like
Yeah.
if you're going CFDs, you got to take advantage of the static drawdown. That's like the best
Exactly.
part. Yeah. Tower G says two-step always, 100%.
Yeah.
If you're going to get a one-step CFD, you might as well go futures at that point because there's no benefit.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, agreed. Bro, I'm actually going to try long here on YM on my top
All right,
one
let's go.
futures
Get it, man.
account. I'm going to have a stop like there. We'll see if I can target opening range high. About a 70-point stop. If the next candle doesn't move higher, I'll get out.
James, what are some of the differences you have noticed from scalping NQ futures to CFD? I know it's a little different, but is it anything that actually bothers you? Or because you do scalp, bro, you go pretty quick and you're able to do it on CFDs.
Yeah, I mean, obviously the spread's a lot better on the futures. I mean, that's no question about that. But I haven't been bothered. I just trade what's in front of me. I control what I can. you know.
Yeah. So do you hold a little bit longer sometimes, or do you just
Sometimes we do because of the spread, but I also go with wider stops because of the spreads as well. Like I'm not trying to get like a 20-point stop on NQ or something like that, you know.
Sure.
So I sold while I'm on the top on futures. Now I'm trying to buy it off these lows. The Nvidia is ripping, bro.
Yeah, it really is.
Look at that. Nvidia new high of day. Let's just see this on a daily time frame. And Nvidia is not far from all-time highs either. Just 5%. And yeah, it looks good personally.
You see this? We got some trader drama right now.
Oh, dude, I don't.
PW and Matt
Oh, dude.
are challenging each other. I'm not flying out to win a paper trading competition. I'll do any competition online, streams live against any trader. No prop or sim. Real money. 100K start to 1 million. Winner keeps losers accumulated account. Any takers, let's go. Let's see if PW does it.
That's funny.
I mean, Trader's Paradise, he's really good. He's a pretty solid trader from what I've seen. And listen, you can't hate on PW that much. I mean, he has made a lot of money trading. I know he makes a lot of money in affiliate stuff too, but he makes money trading.
Trading VWAP on the single, eval and funded. Is a two-step? Yeah, it's eval and then funded. Yeah, so you have to pass the 2 steps, and then you've got the funded account. But then you got to basically a live account with static drawdown, essentially.
Trading VWAP on single stock futures about to be juicy.
Yeah. So Nvidia, yes, geez, Nvidia's are soaring, bro. That's actually a brilliant break and retest of the orb high. Look at that. You go like something like this, maybe something like that. You take like maybe a bounce play or something like that with the stop at opening range low. I mean, I'm telling you, stocks on us to trade, bro, and then your target maybe previous day's highs. Something like that.
Yeah, they really are. Look at that. I guess when they trend, they're just ready to go. They're going to trend.
Yeah, I mean, stocks move, especially when you maybe get a little bit of what you call it, like choppier NQ or something like that on the day.
Like today, honestly.
Yeah.
Once I can trade Tesla, it's over, says TG.
Yeah.
I remember trading Tesla when I would still use FTMO every now and again, or CFDs in general, because I was able to use it. And I did like it.
Yeah, I mean, that's a very nice play that on I mean, as I said, the individual stock names on us to trade, they just are.
Yeah, bro. Chilling today.
Yeah, so I like this candle at the moment on UIM. If I'd look to be, my first target would probably be like up here at 660, like daily VWAP, and then maybe the New York session. We'll see how we react there. But I like this 15-minute bar that's printing at the moment. The 5-minute also looks like it's holding up. So,
yeah, it looks good. It's holding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Tyler just reminded me. Actually, we have Tesla earnings tonight. What time is that? Is that after market close?
After
4
close,
p.m.?
Yeah.
Is it at 4 p.m. though, or is it after?
To probably be like 10 minutes after, bro. It's usually like 10 minutes after.
After 4 p.m., so the market will still be open though, from like 4 to 5.
Yeah,
it'll happen during that. Okay.
Yeah. It's actually a good shout, yeah. I did actually note that down, but we do have Tesla earnings. And obviously the edge full screen is leaning long biased as well. Let's go to, you can look it over your earnings. You go to earning products, calendars, earnings, like that on TradingView. And then you can go like this, market cap, Wednesday. Is Tesla today?
I think it's today. That's what I heard that from a few people, not just Tyler.
Boeing, yeah, Tesla, yeah, after the close. Yeah. Right. Yeah, Tesla. Okay, so we'll see how this 50-minute bar wants to print, but not hating it. As long as it can hold that level.
Yeah, sure. JW says, I'm long on this one with you, Bruce. Let's go.
Nice, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Earnings are at 4:05 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah, will always be just slightly after close. Reminder, this is later on in the day, so I'm not with too much risk personally. Just trying to play that off the opening range low, basically, and with other indexes being pretty bullish. Oh, see what NQ is doing. NQ, yeah, at the highs. I mean, NQ has just been one-way traffic to the high side, so
yeah, it really has.
So Tesla doing, yeah, Tesla. Look at Tesla actually bouncing and rolling back over. Very interesting. It's going to be interesting to see what we do get for the earnings today. That's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I just feel like every time I see an earnings call, it ends up just ripping up. At least there's like an initial push up.
Yeah. We'll definitely shake the NASDAQ, that's for sure. So
yeah, I'm going to be watching for sure. I'll have some fun watching the market.
I wouldn't be holding trades into the earnings, that's for sure.
Nah, unless you're a gangster like Tyler G. Oh my God, what was that?
Yeah. Tesla's bouncing a bit.
And Q just had a huge 1 minute candle wick.
So YM doing. Yeah, YM also bouncing as well. Interesting. Yeah, cheers, Tyler. Good to have you on, boss.
Yeah, Tyler hops on a lot. Yeah, I've seen him hop on here. Yeah. He was on PFM TV before. He's a man. Oh, yeah, Luna made me laugh. Luna told me that he was like, I asked James, who is the best trader on ASFX?
Yeah.
He was like, he said, like, James.
What do you want me to say, right? Like,
I was like, of course he would say that. I said, you know what, you ask me, I'm gonna say Zach.
Yeah.
Austin would say Austin.
Yeah, I was like, dude, I actually, and then I also said, like, at the end of the day, it doesn't really, I don't trade for people to pat me on the back. I trade to make money.
No, like, yeah, it was all fun. It was all just fun. Yeah. But you have a few different ways you can put it, because Austin would be like, yo, I'm the best. I got the most payouts by quantity.
Yeah.
And he does. He does.
In terms of quantity, yeah.
500 payouts this year.
Yeah. Yeah, those daily payouts on that live account is pretty sweet.
Someone's asking you, what strategy do you trade, James?
Opening range and VWAP. So this is a trade off opening range low. It's a little bit of a higher risk trade, I would say, because we are fading. The YM has been the index that's been lagging since market open. But it's coming off the opening range low, off a level of pre-market. So, it's not a bad long to be in. But yeah, opening range and VWAP. But yeah, you can check all the courses out on ASFX TV as well. So you get the code first for free 4 months. So make sure to go check that out too.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop the link right now, guys. So it'll put the code in automatically for you when you click this link.
Yeah.
Someone's watching Alex over at PFM TV. He said he put a short on. I just don't know, man. I want to, trust me, nothing would make me happier than to see this market go down today, but I can't trust it anymore. I'm done.
Yeah, I mean, it's not, ES and NQ are not going down, that's for sure.
No. Man, you know what I want? I wish FTMO would make a one-step challenge that's static drawdown. Like, give me some other limitation, but let me get static drawdown one step. That would change the game, bro. I'd even be fine with, like, I don't know, maybe like a large payout cap, like 5K payout cap per cycle, if you could still trade 3 of them. Because FTMO, they don't do payout caps, right?
I know.
That's crazy. You can get a $50,000 payout from them, and they would be obligated to pay you.
Yeah, they don't do payout caps. There's no Actually, not a bad play to buy ES also on that wick down, personally.
Why that wick?
Well, everything's been bought back up today, so you get the wick back down, you buy it like there, and you try and target it like half day, quick little scalp type vibe,
Yeah. I see Austin's almost got some Lucid accounts passed.
Nice. Yeah, I can't trade with Lucid in South Africa.
Oh, it's against, okay.
Yeah.
So what do you have? Tradeify, you have Top One Futures. Those are the two.
Yeah, and Hydra, as I said, I've got it.
Hydra.
Yeah.
Are they on PFM?
I don't think so, bro. I must actually speak to them. They must actually get on PFM.
Yeah, they should try to get on.
Yeah, I don't think they are. Just look at the video, bro.
I know. It's insane.
Look at that.
Bro.
Jeez. It's a nice break and retest of the opening range there.
It's like textbook.
Yeah, up $1.
Funded Futures Family. Oh, no way. Maybe you should look into them, bro, if you want to trade another futures firm eventually. FFF, Funded Futures Family.
Yeah, but
I
that's
actually just had them on stream.
Oh, okay.
I know. I think it used to be owned by Jay Dunn and Danny, but I think it's...
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Oh, did someone else?
I don't think... Yeah, they don't own it anymore. I don't know who the people are in relation to them, but it's like this guy. I think his name is... Shit, I forgot his name already. I don't know. I had him on yesterday, like for an interview, and they were good people. They seemed like good people.
Okay, interesting.
Oh, that's Danny's dad? I met Danny's dad?
That's funny.
Yeah. I don't know what to say. I don't know what else.
Oh, goodness. Dude, the prop firm space can be wild at times, that's for sure.
I got no words. Okay. I mean, he seems like a nice guy. What do you want from me?
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh shit. King is asking James, what happened to the podcast? No. Oh my god. Okay, but hey, Kurt likes their rules. I haven't looked into them yet. Are they paying out? If they're paying out, I'm good.
Yeah, sure.
Dude, that is hilarious.
Yeah, well, I'm stuck here, JW. Doesn't want to go up like NQ and ES.
Someone's asking, what about the podcast you were going to do with DY?
I used to do the podcast with DY on that. I just had, I couldn't do it anymore.
Who's
in
DY?
The mornings, it was in the mornings my time. I couldn't meet the obligation to do it. So I just told them, listen, it's best that I step away. I can't be on the desk like for 10 hours a day, bro. I can't do that.
I don't blame you. Who is DY?
Great. They're actually they're a great prop firm. That's why I've got an account with him, but I couldn't do that podcast anymore. It was just too much.
It was a Hydra podcast. Oh, it was a podcast with Hydra.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you. All right, guys. Well, we got a couple minutes left. If anyone has questions, I'm done today, man. I don't want nothing to do with this market.
Yeah.
Let us know, I guess, before we bounce. Hopefully Friday will be a good stream, I'm sure. Monday was good. What happened Monday? Did we catch? I think we caught some trades. I don't remember.
I'm not too sure, actually, personally. I actually forgot.
It was a good day, though. I remember it was a good stream.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still I'll hold this on my top one futures account. I'll see if it wants to bounce off these lows. Other than that, yeah, I'm not in a massive size, so yeah, we'll see.
What are you, a couple micros?
Yeah, 10 macros.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I mean, I guess you want to call it there, James? Unless there's a question. Yeah, there should be a tweet soon that will YOLO the market, says Miguel. Yeah, probably.
Yeah. No, we can call it there, Zach. I think it's been a good stream. I'll keep you updated on these longs. I'm in pretty small, but I think it could still potentially bounce from here. It's very choppy right now. Later on in the trading session usually does tend to be like this.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. All right, yeah, keep us posted.
Yes, sir.
All right, chat. We will see you Friday, but remember to tune in tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. with Austin, Evan, Randy, and the boys. So they'll be live tomorrow morning. We'll catch you then.
Cheers, guys. Have a good one. Yes, sir.
Peace.